Ayan. So good afternoon to everybody and to Michelle, ano? Thank you so much for inviting me today to be able to share some information no, about our IM products and also some knowledge then about health no, and wellness. So just to inform you guys, no disclaimer, I'm not a doctor. Okay, I'm also not a health coach, but I'm also part of IM Worldwide. I'm also, one of the distributors here offering our products. Okay, so basically, I was invited here to give you guys some more knowledge, no, on our products and how you can offer, okay, these products that we have at I Am Worldwide. Ayan. So, I'm sure lahat kayo ay aware, no, na explain ni Sir Ram sa inyo yung benefits ng or yung pinakita yung product sa inyo. Tama po ba? Ayan, huwag kayong ma-shy guys. Ayan, nag-open cam si John. Sige, open cam din ako. Ayan. Baka pwede tayo mag-on cam. Ayan. Okay. Sige. So, what I'll be sharing today, of course, will be some knowledge then about, our health, no? Para meron kayong idea, no? Pangdagdag information then when you offer our products, okay? So it's nice to know na meron kayong a bit of knowledge dun sa what you call this about our health. Okay, that way you can, introduce our products to your clients or your customers. Okay, I heard somebody's from marketing here. Sino ulit yun? Si John ba yun?
Yeah, I have a background in
Oh,
marketing.
there.
Yeah,
Okay.
worked as
All
online.
right. Online. Okay. What do you market, if I may
Well,
ask?
I was a campaign manager for Vero Creatives. So I was managing
Mm.
their ad campaigns, making sure
Mm.
that they were making money on their ad creatives and everything was running smoothly.
Hmm. And when before you did like ads for them, did they give you like a little bit of background about their products or services?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I was the one running the ads, but I didn't create them. We were partnering up
Okay.
with a different agency to create the
Okay.
ads before I ran them for them.
Nice, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yes. So, here and I am, we also, market our products. So maybe you can also do this at the same time, no? Anyway, that's what we're here for, no? To help you guys um, offer our products. All right. So I'm just gonna share my screen. Let me know if you see my screen here. Hold on. Okay. All right. Kita na ba yung screen ko? Is it can you see it?
Yes, yes, Bobby.
Okay. All right. Okay, so let's talk about first disease prevention. Ayan, okay? Which is the main reason why we offer our products, right? Here, I don't know kung meron dito naka-experience ng very malala na illness or may kamag-anak kayo na naka-experience, no? ng illness as well. No? So I'm sure all of us have know somebody or know somebody who knows somebody na alam mo yun, may experience sa ganun sa life nila. Okay? Now, just so that you guys know, the top three causes of death in the Philippines, of course, is marami, no? And right now it's showing here, this is based on the PSA Gov, okay, is heart disease, okay, any disease sa heart, okay, cancer, all right, which is the most common one. Okay. And there are different types of factors kung bakit tayo, why we get sick, right? One could be, the illness could be hereditary. okay, congenital, or it could be because of lifestyle, which part ng lifestyle is yung environment. Okay, so the disease causing lifestyle. Okay, this is one of the reasons why we are exposed. No, it could be an unhealthy diet, diba? Maybe we are lacking of sleep. Okay, because sleep actually helps our body to recover. Okay. There is also, some people who are stressed, okay, who are mentally or emotionally have problems. Diba, kahit even students, right? We also, we get stressed, right? For a lot of work that we do, okay, and all that. Another cause would be maybe you're smoking, okay, maybe you're drinking a lot, okay, and others would be side effects of medications, okay. So those are disease causing lifestyles. Now we have also environmental causes. Okay, I'm sure you guys are aware of this, which is pollution, okay, viruses and bacteria, okay, toxic chemicals and heavy metals. Yan. So another reason kung bakit marami nagkakasakit din, no, is because of these environmental causes. Okay. And another one would be, of course, lifestyle. So, of course, no, I know that you guys are still young. Okay. Syempre wala pa tayong ano no. We're not yet into like sobrang health. Pero sino ba dito ay very cautious sa health nila already? Meron po ba?
Meron po, ako po.
Meron. Okay, good. Yan, because the earlier that you become health conscious, the better, no? Kasi you become aware of the food that you eat, the stress around you, okay, all of these things, right? Of course, we want to live as long as we can. Tama? And, as you hear from our elders lagi, di ba? Ingat ka sa lifestyle mo, yan, mga milk tea, milk tea, gano'n, okay? So, okay lang yung moderation. Wag lang yung ano, 'di ba, all the time. Okay? So, the food that you eat can either be the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison, right? Not you don't get sick right away, okay? It actually builds up, no, as you go along with your lifestyle, okay, your environment. But the good thing is here, our body has, the capacity to heal, okay, and recover by itself. Okay, but of course, when our bodies are well nourished with the nutrients and minerals that it needs, no, I believe this is very very basic common sense, no, and doctors would also advise that, no, sa atin pag nagpapa-check up tayo. Okay, so really is something very common and basic talaga that we should know, okay, about sa health natin. All right. So, yan, isa pang unhealthy diet. Okay, too much eating, high sugar, okay, or you eat a lot of high processed food. Okay, kasi not a lot of people have time, okay, to really prepare meals, no? Not having enough nutrients. Okay, so the reason why you know uh, our bodies actually get hungry, our bodies are actually craving for nutrients. Yeah, nutrients na we don't really get much sa food, okay, outside, no? Kahit nga may ibang, there's other fruits and vegetables that are still low on those nutrients, no? Na kailangan natin. Ayan. So, malnourishment can actually look like this. Okay, there are some people who are overweight, there are some people na sobrang payat, pero alam mo yun, they still experience yung mga illness, okay, in their lives. So, it can be anybody, okay? And whether mayaman or mahirap, okay, matanda or young, okay, anybody can get sick. Okay, even babies, even as soon as they're born, may illness na sila, no? So it could be the lifestyle of the mother, or it could be a hereditary illness na nakuha through the family. Okay, so anybody talaga, right? And when we take food, Like we don't know, syempre, ang sugar, no? Sugar, carbohydrates, yan, which carbohydrates can convert to sugar, no, once in our bodies na. Okay, so we should be very careful then of how much we take talaga, no? Lalo na yan sa mga milk teas, no? And all those drinks outside, no? Ayan. Okay. So a lot of us here, lalo na sa IM, we're actually ano din, very health conscious. And we also look at labels, no? Kasi sometimes there are labels or names na alam mo 'yun, ibang name pero sugar pala siya. Okay, sugar is definitely the number one poison, no, na we put into our bodies. And sometimes we don't realize it, no. We don't feel it right away. Like I said earlier, these health conditions develop over time, no. And maganda din aralin to, no, yung mga ganitong stuff or these what you call this uh what you call nutrition facts that you get sa food. Okay. And of course, delicious doesn't mean nutritious. Yan. So halos carbs lang yun and sugar. Okay, na pinapasok natin sa katawan natin. Okay? So this is the time na, as long as if you're still young, no, maganda din mag-invest din sa health nyo. Okay? Mami, share ko din yung testimony ko here. Imagine at age 22, okay, nagkaroon na ako ng medication for hypertension. Alright? And ang daming gamot binigay sa akin ng doctor ko because for hypertensive illnesses, you have to have a lot of medications to be able for the other one to work. Ganun siya. Okay, so nakakapagod, no? For many years, I've been taking those medications since the age of 22, no? And what do you call this? The cost of healthcare is really, really high, no? Actually, halos every year, no, na hospital ako. Okay, and not a lot of us are prepared for these what do you call this healthcare costs, diba? As you know, once you're in the hospital, first day pa lang, may iba 20K agad, minsan 50,000 ang gastos sila in one day. Okay, because of the health conditions that they have, no? So aside from yung bills sa hospital, 'di ba? You have to spend more pa, may gamot ka pa. Okay, you have other treatments that you maybe need to go through. Okay, we don't want to go through that. We as much as possible, let's avoid that, no. Um that part. Okay? And of course, the cost of being sick, of course, the stress, the money, no, that you feel tired, 'di ba? And of course, when you have these struggles, no, lalo na sa pera, okay, it will contribute to stress. Okay, and baka lalo maging worse, okay, yung health condition natin. All right? So prevention is better than cure. Ayan, sa mga kids or students who are here right now, no? Okay, prevention is better than cure. Kasi once you have medication na, for me, that's considered too late na. Okay, pero there's still a way, there's still a chance for you to reverse, okay, yung mga illnesses natin, no, as soon as possible. So, lifestyle change, number one, would be what you call this, one of the best things to do, no? Lifestyle change. I know for so many people, it's so hard for them to get rid of the favorite food. Okay, maybe ayaw nila umalis sa work nila kahit stress sila doon. Okay? But one of the things that they can really start with, or you guys can really start with, is lifestyle change. Okay? And there's so many resources on how we can do that, no? It's basically just managing your time. Okay, eating the right food, okay, healthy foods. Okay, and one of the things that should be part talaga is yung physical activity. Okay, physical activity, whether it's 20 minutes walk every day. Who of you here play sports, basketball? Okay, wag yung sports sa computer, guys, ha. Yung mga hands nyo lang ang ano diyan, nag-e-exercise. Pero sino ba dito ay may physical activity? Either with family or ano, badminton, basketball, yan, si John. Okay? Ayan, so good yan. Okay, dapat talaga may physical activity, no? It should be part of our daily lifestyle, no? Kasi it really helps with the function of your heart. Okay, maganda din na we sweat, okay, because it helps gets rid of toxins also in our body. Okay, and of course to manage our weight as well. Ayan. Okay, another one would be hygiene, good hygiene. Okay. So, yan, I'm sure this is all basic for you guys, no? Okay, dapat habit to na basic na to, very good hygiene. Okay, this will also help prevent illnesses, no, sa mga balat natin. Okay, spread of germs, okay? Ayan. And then hobbies. Ayan. So, it's a great way to relax and unwind. Syempre, 'di ba, kahit busy kayo, nag-aaral kayo, you're doing other activities, it's good to do something na you know, yung mga hobbies nyo. Okay, just to really unwind, take a break for a few moments, okay, and to also have social interaction with people. Ayan. Okay, so yeah, knowing all of that, here we have to really decide to be intentional. Of course, to achieve, optimum health. Okay, when we say optimum health, the healthiest person that you can be. All right. So, again, it starts with a decision. Be clear with yourself. Why do you want to be healthy? Okay, why do you want others to be healthy also? Okay, and decide, no, and commit to those plans. Make it be part of your daily routine and your lifestyle. Okay, and of course, hydration. This is very important. Okay, because even if we sleep at night, our bodies are sweating. Okay, sino po dito ay mahilig uminom ng water or no? Kasi there are some people who don't really drink a lot of water, no, but it's really important as well that we have a what you call this, we hydrate. Okay, we hydrate all the time, so water is the best. What I do actually sometimes is I put like a pinch of salt. Oh no, si John, no, Coke. So yun yung water mo, John. Coke, flavored water, ganon. Okay, yes. So yan. So try to limit din yan. Because just to share with you guys, no, one can or one glass of soft drinks, for you to really flush it off or to flush it out of your system, you have to drink at least what you call this, 10 to 12 glasses of water just for you to flush it out of your system. So if you're not drinking water more, okay, then the sugars in those drinks will definitely contribute to your illness. Okay, may toxins din yan, high in sugar. Okay, kahit yung mga soft drinks na they would say sugar free sila, but they have a type of sugar na nilalagay doon. Okay, it's like an alternative, pero masama din yun. Okay, so water really aids digestions. It helps regulates your body temperature. Okay, and of course, it helps eliminate toxins. Okay, so if you're drinking soft drinks, then you need to drink more water. Okay, throughout the day. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let me go ahead here. Oops. Okay. So yeah, adopting the habit of eating nutritiously is vital for providing the body with essential nutrients. Okay, a balanced diet that prioritizes nutrient dense food supports physical health, aids mental function, and can prevent range of chronic diseases. So, making it fundamental for overall well-being. Okay, so wala naman talagang masama to really eat what we want, but we have to also eat these in moderation. Okay, as long as we're we're making sure that our body is nourished. Okay, like I said earlier, the reason why we get hungry is that our body is craving for those nutrients. Okay, those micronutrients, minerals, no. Kasi that's the one. Those are the what you call this nutrients na our body doesn't really have. It cannot develop on its own. Okay, and that's why we need to feed our body with these nutrients, like a car, for example, 'di ba? If you have a car, tapos ibang oil nilagay nyo, right? Sa ibang oil. Okay, kasi alam natin mura, mas mura to. Okay, and iba siyang klaseng oil. Pero you're feeding it or you're putting it into your car. 'Di ba? Eventually, your car, instead of it lasting longer, magkakaroon siya ng complications over time. Okay, so ganun din yung katawan natin. Okay, as long as we're eating the right food, okay, we're feeding our bodies with the nutrients that we need. Okay, for sure our bodies will function properly. Yeah. Okay, and you will never go wrong with natural and unprocessed real food. Tama yan, agree ako dyan. Kasi vitamins and minerals, these are a form of nutrient or called micronutrients that are needed in small amounts. Okay, although micronutrients don't give us energy, all right, they involved in the metabolic process that enable us to get energy from carbohydrates, protein, and fat, which are also known as micronutrients. Okay, and things to consider talaga is the preparation of your food. Okay, tingnan nyo, preparation of your food, nutrient contents are often altered during cooking. Okay, like for example, gulay. Once na dumaan siya sa init, okay, unti-unti nababawasan yung nutrients niya. Okay? Yan. So these are one of the what you call this vitamins that we need: vitamin B, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C and D. Okay, all of this. Okay, kailangan ng katawan natin. No, kasi these are the things that we don't have. Hindi kaya mag-produce ng katawan natin. So we need to eat foods that can provide us these vitamins. Okay, and of course, consuming appropriate portions of nutritious food ensures that you receive the recommended daily intake of vitamins and minerals. Okay, also eating too little or too much of certain foods can lead to nutrient deficiencies or excess, what you call this, fats or anything like that. Okay, so this is our amazing barley, no? Um, no, now knowing all of that information, okay, about our health, okay, and why is it important that we need to invest sa health natin? Okay, kasi like I said earlier, there are vegetables, there are fruits, okay, na hindi kompleto din yung nutrients niya. So imagine, recommend sa atin isang tumpok ng gulay, okay, that we need to eat daily just so our bodies are, are fed properly, no, with the right nutrients and minerals or vitamins and minerals. So with our amazing pure organic barley, okay, this is the product that we offer at IM, no? And ang maganda sa kanya is that it is organic, okay? It is organic. It doesn't have white sugar. We don't even use stevia, okay? Pure barley grass siya, which comes from Swan Hill, Australia, okay? And in Australia, just to let you know, our barley, okay, where we get our barley from, there's one farm there in Swan Hill, Australia, that is the only certified organic barley, okay, that is pure and organic. All right. So there are other products that are offering barley now as well. Okay, yung iba may stevia kasi other people can't, hindi nila ma-handle yung lasa ng pure barley. All right. But the best way to take barley is when it's pure and organic. Wala siyang halong iba. Okay? Dito sa barley niya. All right. And I don't know if you guys know Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Does anybody know her? Yan. So isa siyang actress dito sa Pilipinas before. Okay. And she was diagnosed with breast cancer stage 2, right? And her doctor in Australia said that she only had a 5-year chance of survival. No, so imagine being told that, or someone in your family being told that. No, may 5-year chance of survival. Syempre, it's devastating, right? Now, she went through chemo. Actually, she was interviewed with Tony Talks with regards to her condition. Okay, with her condition, um, for her experience when she went through breast cancer, and she explained that when she did chemo, um, her body actually dun bumagsak yung katawan niya talaga. Why? Because just to let you guys know, chemotherapy, okay, or the medicine, the treatment of chemo is a mix of different types of strong, very strong medication. Okay, kasi 'di ba ang goal ng chemo is to kill that cell, okay, that cancer cell. Now, sa sobrang tapang ng chemo, okay, it also killed the good cells in her body. Okay? It killed the good cells in her body, and so ayun, bumagsak yung immune system niya. Okay? And sabi niya, there must be something, no, that can help her um, improve her health naturally. Okay? Don't get me wrong, guys, ha. Ang medication, yes, sometimes we do need it, lalo na pag critical yung condition natin. Okay? But we also need something natural to help boost our immune system. Okay, our immune system kasi yan yung that helps us to heal, no? Our bodies talaga. So she said there must be something natural and organic that can help her, okay, to increase the what you call her white blood cell count. Kasi every time magki-chemo session siya, lalong bumababa yung white blood cell count niya. And we need those white blood cells to, to help us heal from inside. Okay? Now, she was worried kasi hindi siya makaka-proceed sa next chemo niya if hindi siya alam mo yun, hindi bumawi yung immune system niya to the number na required before magki-chemo siya ulit. Okay? Every 21 days ata yun, no? For the chemo session. And she searched online, she tried a lot of other products, but when she discovered barley online and she started taking it, every time magte-test siya after chemo, do'n niya nakikita na lalong tumataas unti-unti yung white blood cell count niya sa katawan. So the barley really actually helped her, no? Because she was feeding it with vitamins and minerals na, alam mo yun, hindi nakukuha sa chemicals or sa medication. Okay, medication, again, is a band-aid solution. Okay? It won't actually help you heal. It will just help you maintain or help you to recover at a certain point. But to really like heal naturally, no, yung katawan natin, for us to we need to strengthen our immune system, and that's what barley did for her. Okay, and she is now 24 years plus cancer free. Okay, so it's amazing, no? And a yearly she has tests, her annual tests. Okay, and she's healthy as she can be. No, she reached her optimum health talaga. No, but of course, aside from that, for sure, nagbago din yung lifestyle niya. Okay, for sure, nag-iwas din siya sa stress, no? So all those things, no, and then the barley, nakatulong talaga sa kanya. No, and we know some other people na when it comes to cancer, minsan after 5 years, bumabalik, or after 10 years, bumabalik yung cancer nila. Baka kasi ganun pa rin ang lifestyle nila, no? After the treatment, no? So, ito, si Maritoni, consistent siya, umiinom ng barley. Okay? And I believe she mentioned she takes it about 3 to 4 times a day, yung barley natin. Okay? So, that's what's amazing about her testimony, no? Dito sa barley is nakatulong din sa kanya. Yeah. So how did barley help her, no? Again, in a cup of barley, okay, our amazing barley here sa IM, in one timpla or one glass, okay, you get 11 times more calcium than cow's milk. Okay, you also get 7 times more vitamin C than pure orange juice. Okay, so to be honest, no, this is my vitamins na. I don't buy over-the-counter vitamins anymore kasi lahat na meron sa barley. Ang wala lang sa barley is vitamin D. Okay, vitamin D you can get sa umaga, like super like early in the morning pag rise ng sun. Okay, magpaaraw lang kayo for 20-30 minutes, you have your vitamin D for the day. Okay, so very important tayo guys na nagpapaaraw tayo. It's free. Okay? So magpaaraw kayo as much as you can. Okay, yan. So ang barley meron siyang vitamin C. Okay, 5 times more iron than spinach. Ayan. So perfect din siya sa mga kulang sa tulog. Alam mo yun, baka nagna-night shift. Okay, baka there are students who are also studying until late at night. Okay, maganda uminom ng barley. Okay, to be able for their bodies to bounce back. Okay, from those nights na kulang sila sa tulog. Okay, and 4 times more vitamin B and many more. Okay, meron nga siyang 68 micronutrients. Ayan. Okay, so these are the major benefits then, no, and other what you call this vitamins and minerals. So barley can definitely help destroy cancer cells. It will help build your immunity against diseases. It's a slimming toxin remover. Hindi siya pang pa-diet, guys, ah. Okay, it just helps to remove toxins talaga. Marami dito naka-experience na makinis na yung mukha nila. It helps with lowering cholesterol, okay, prevents colds and flu. Marami kami dito actually. Like halimbawa, yung buong family na hawa-hawa na sa flu or ubo. Okay, pero yung kami, na mga mentors na consistent uminom ng barley, kami yung hindi nahawa. Ah, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin, tumibay na yung ating immune system, 'di ba? Hindi tayo na nahahawa. Okay, sa 'yan mga flu na 'yan or any viruses. Okay? Barley can also help boost your energy, okay, and lower the blood sugar. 'Yan. So baka may kakilala kayo, no, who can what you call this? Who can benefit from our barley. So these are also actually some pointers, guys. I hope you guys are taking down notes, no? These are some of the pointers that you can use, no, based dun sa customer nyo. Okay, and their needs na pwede mo i-share sa kanila. Okay, about benefits of barley. All right. Now, we have a Japanese scientist here. His name is Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara. Okay, and he studied the barley plant for 14 years of his life. And sabi niya dito, out of the 150 plants, okay, na meron tayo sa buong mundo, barley grass has proved to be the most valuable for human body. Okay? And sabi din niya dito na ang barley, okay, as long as it's pure and organic, okay, is the most nutritious or the most what you call this, pinakamasustansyang gulay. Yan, sa buong mundo. Okay? And it has, all the vitamins and minerals na kailangan natin talaga sa katawan. Okay? So, ayan, kaya lagi siyang, actually, kaya nakakatulong din siya sa mga cancer patients as well. So you can see here, let me just zoom in. Ayan. So mataas yung sodium ng barley. Okay? It has 7,000 plus compared to spinach and lettuce. Mataas din yung potassium niya. Okay? Kaya pag may headache kayo, ano kayo ng nag-workout, okay? Maganda itong barley. Okay? Mas mataas pa nga, lampas ng thousands na compared to spinach and lettuce. Okay? Mataas din yung magnesium niya. Okay? Magnesium is also very important. We have that in our bodies, no? Okay? It's for our brain as well. Okay? So very important yung magnesium. Okay? Folic acid, mataas yung barley. Vitamin C, mas mataas sa spinach and lettuce. Okay? All right, and vitamin H, which is biotin, which actually helps with the hair growth and nails. Yeah, and helps with pregnancy as well, no? And to also manage yung blood sugar natin. All right. So yeah, no. This table of ingredients of barley, we can send this to you. Okay, kayo na magbasa niyan. Actually, lahat to you can search on ChatGPT, Google. All of this information is available online. Okay, for you to to be able to understand more about these vitamins and minerals, no, ng barley. Okay. Now we do have a lot of testimonials here in IM. Okay. We have here na appendix cancer, no? Na nakatulong sa kanya. Okay. One of our achievers as well here in IM. Okay. Meron dito, this one is, ayan, may PCOS siya and she struggled to get pregnant. Okay, so I know we're guys here, no? Pero sa mga women kasi, yan ang struggle talaga is yung irregular menstruation. Okay, which is the medical term PCOS, no? So it was really hard for the couple to bear a child kasi nga may PCOS siya, no? And with taking barley, of course, nakatulong sa kanya. And ayan, may dalawang anak na po sila. Okay? So those are one of the testimonies here. Marami actually, hindi lang sila, no? Marami kami dito na ano, may kakilala na nakatulong ang barley sa kanila. Okay? And not just that, we also have people here na stroke dati. Like for example, this Japanese local stroke patient, no? After na stroke siya, hindi niya mataas yung right hand. Yeah, it would take very long. He would need like sessions, no, treatment sessions for that. And when he started taking barley, it really helped boost that immune system niya, no, to be able to recover faster. Okay? Marami dito cancer. Okay? Marami dito GERD, yan, acidic. Okay? And marami dito who have skin conditions. Yan. Psoriasis. Okay? Iba naman kidney stone. Diabetic sila. Okay, myoma, ayan. Okay, so dito, barley can help with a lot of what do you call this, health conditions. Okay, kasi nga, barley will help talaga to boost your immune system. Okay, kasi the immune system, once it is healthy, once it is being fed the right minerals and vitamins that it needs, okay, then the immune system will help our bodies, recover naturally. Okay. Again, we're not against medication. We do need it sometimes pag severe yung ating illnesses. Okay. Kailangan din natin ng tulong ng something that is natural, which is food. Okay. And barley, hindi siya gamot. Barley is a plant. Okay. Gulay siya. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So we have a lot of international, people na recognized na ang barley. Okay, barley is already recognized worldwide. Okay, and people are taking it na rin. No, it's really hard to find barley somewhere else na ganito ka-organic. Okay, and our barley field in Australia, it's maganda yung growth ng barley doon kasi malinis yung water. Actually, people can drink water from the river where the water passes through the farm. Okay, and wala siyang halo talaga, no? It is pure and organic and maganda yung climate sa Australia. Kaya maganda yung quality talaga ng barley natin dito sa IM. Okay? So, yan. Um, Superfood is the best. Okay. For food that we eat, high in carbs, high in sugar. No, these are the things that causes complications or illnesses sa katawan natin if we take too much of it. And of course, let's say you don't really take it much, but kulang ka pa rin sa vitamins and minerals. Okay, that can also trigger illness as well sa ating katawan over time. Okay, so knowing that, the benefits of barley and how it can help. Okay. We also have other products here as well. Okay. So aside from the amazing barley powder, we have the barley capsules. Okay. So in capsule form, for those who, let's say, hindi nila kaya yung lasa ng barley, they can take our barley capsules. And the capsule itself, hindi siya plastic. Okay. It's organic as well. All right. And then we also have choco barley. Okay, so choco barley, it is natural cocoa powder. Okay, we don't use artificial here. Natural cocoa powder na may barley siya, halong or pure organic barley dito sa product na to. And since our pure organic barley powder is organic, wala siyang stevia, walang sugar. But here we use stevia lang. Okay? Stevia for the choco barley. All right. So yan, kids can enjoy this hot or cold. Even tayo, mga adults, okay? We can also enjoy our choco barley. So ang benefits nito, meron siyang vitamin D, vitamin C, meron siyang protein, okay? Meron din siyang antioxidants kasi nga, gawa ng there's barley powder as well. Okay, it can also provide calcium, and it's an energy booster. Okay, so the natural cocoa powder or cocoa where where chocolate is made from, it actually helps boost the what you call this energy sa katawan. And it also provides magnesium, which I read earlier, no? Maganda yung natural na choco. Okay? And yeah, meron din siyang what you call this protein as well. So maganda siya, no? Whether hot or cold, pwede mo i-take yung choco barley. Okay, meron din tayong amazing acai berry. So this one has collagen. Okay, marami siyang ibang ingredients na iba't iba yung what you call this benefit niya. Like we have here barley. Okay, so kung ano man ang benefits ng barley, if you're drinking the acai berry, okay, you get the benefits din ng barley, right? Meron siyang collagen, which is of course good for the skin, okay, for the hair, for nails, no? And we have here healthy fats, which is omega-3. Okay, so pag omega-6, unhealthy oils na yon. All right? Okay, meron din tayong ginseng. What else? Go to cola. Okay, and turmeric. So meron siyang what you call this turmeric as well. Okay. And turmeric, of course, will help with joint pain, muscle soreness, okay, body aches, okay, and it will also help boost the immune system. All right. There are also benefits of acai berry. Okay. Let me get that here. So acai berry is a fruit. All right. This will help fight yung mga free radicals. Yan. Free radicals supports anti-aging. It also helps with to reduce inflammation in the body. Okay. Yan. So it will also help with memory, with focus, and mental clarity. Yan. So imbes na, alam mo yun, ito si Liza, oh, uminom siya ng acai berry, one of our ambassadors, no? So it will really help, no? Instead of drinking juice outside, diba, why not choose a healthier option, which we have here in IM, which is the acai berry. Okay? Meron din tayong amazing immunergy. Yan, perfect to actually with our tawag dito, our amazing pure organic barley powder. Kasi 'di ba wala ang barley powder is walang vitamin D. So here, kung busy ka talaga, hindi ka magpapaaraw during the day, ito, Immunergy, meron siyang vitamin D, malunggay, okay, meron din siyang zinc and vitamin C. Ayan, lalo na sa nagwo-workout doon, maganda din 'to 'no, yung what you call this, Immunergy natin. And we use capsules here. So again, the capsule is not plastic. It is organic capsules as well. Yeah. Okay, now we also have the amazing grape juice with acai berry benefits. Ayan. Okay. So this one, the grape juice, no, we again all of our products here we are natural, or what you call this, natural extracts from fruits. We don't use any artificial flavoring here. Okay, so yan, our grape juice, it's rich in antioxidants. It supports heart health. Okay, promotes healthy skin. It also helps to improve brain function. Okay, enhances energy and stamina. Ayan, lalo na summer ngayon, no? For those who want to avoid eating too much, during, the summertime, they can drink this before eating. Okay, it is a natural anti-suppressant. So pag sinabing natural anti-suppressant, mawawala yung gana mo to eat too much. Okay, pag kumain ka ng konti, tapos mararamdaman mo na yung katawan na busog na siya. Alright? So yan, this is the grape juice with Garcinia. So ito, wala siyang barley na halo, okay? This is just the pure grape juice lang. Alright? With these benefits. Okay, and then we also have our awesome premium organic soap. Ayan. So, nagawa ni Maritone ito, no? They were able to extract the minerals from barley and form it into a soap. Ayan. Okay. So, it's organic. Again, we don't use chemicals here sa ating mga products. And yan, organic barley extract. Okay. Meron na siyang rice bran oil. Okay. And all of these other benefits. No? So, pag kung meron kayong skin condition, gusto mo mas makinis pa yung face mo, okay, you can use this. Pure organic soap. So, here's a testimony that we have, a 4-month-old baby na, alam mo yun, meron na siyang, what you call this, psoriasis na. Okay, ayan. So, nagkaroon ng condition sa head. And the parents use the barley. So, dahil organic yung barley soap natin, just like our pure organic barley powder, since it's organic, pwede din siya sa mga pregnant woman, breastfeeding moms, and babies. And our soap, no, pwede din siya. Sa sobrang organic niya, walang chemicals, pwede siya sa mga babies as well. Okay, for kids. Ayan. So, talagang nakatulong sa baby na to. And ayun na, fully grown na yung hair niya. Ayan. Okay, so yan ang benefits ng amazing or awesome soap that we have. Now, we also have, what you call this, amazing coffee products. Ayan. So coffee products, marami to actually. Okay. We do have here, halos lahat ay may barley. Okay. So you still get the benefits of barley and then also benefits of yung ibang klaseng coffee natin here. So we use Arabica coffee. Okay. It's one of the healthiest coffees around the world. Okay. Like for example, itong amazing cafe latte. Okay. It helps in treatment and prevents of cancer, aids in cleansing, and it also helps to detox, okay, your body. Ayan. And for those who are acidic, all of our coffee products actually helps to balance the pH level, okay, of our body. So for those who are acidic, alam mo yun, na-acidic sila, sumasakit yung chan nila, okay, perfect to. Okay, kasi may barley siya, plus yung benefits pa ng coffee natin. Okay? So this is the latte flavor. This one. Okay, we also have amazing slim. Ayan, slimming coffee. Cafe macchiato. Okay, ang benefits naman ito. Okay, wala lang siyang barley. Okay, this is the only coffee na walang halong barley. But the amazing slim cafe macchiato helps boost the metabolism. Okay, reduces cravings. Okay, which when you reduce the cravings, no, sa mga food, it will help burn fat. Okay, it is energy and immune booster. Okay, it has also glutathione. Okay, glutathione which helps repair damaged cells. Okay, one of our bestseller coffees to guys, no? So you can offer this as well to your clients. And then we have cafe mocha. So for those who are interested in coffee with choco, okay, ayan, we have that as well. Okay, amazing cafe mocha. Okay, this will help with treatment and prevention of cancer, aids in cleansing. It will help also detox your body. Okay, it helps to balance the pH level of your body again. So yan, halos lahat ng coffees natin dito no, will definitely help the balance of your pH level sa katawan. Okay, and yeah, coffee made with healthy mocha flavor as well. Okay, so perfect yan sa mga mahilig sa mocha, coffee with chocolate. All right, we have here also amazing coffee mix with Tongkat Ali. Okay, this will help improve stress hormone. Okay, will help fight unwanted weight gain. Okay, natural ano siya, a remedy. Okay, and also for it promotes skeletal health and encourages normal blood sugar. Ayan. So again, we don't use white sugar here sa mga coffees natin. We use stevia. Ayan. So energy booster din siya. Okay, we also have our amazing coffee mix with glutathione. Ayan. So glutathione is really good for the liver and the kidney. Okay, sometimes may meron ibang what you call this clients or customers who buy this product na napansin nila na pumuti konti yung skin nila. Okay, that's just a side effect, no? Pero glutathione really helps with the kidney, the liver. Okay, it's also high in antioxidants. Okay, it will help repair damaged cells yan sa katawan natin. Okay, and also, ito sabi nga, it helps repair cell damage and assist in the storage and transport of amino acids. Okay, helps improve liver function and helps fight autoimmune disease. Ayan, wait lang. All right. So amino acids, guys, just to let you know, amino acids helps to build muscle. Okay, skin, hair, organs, and immune system cells. And so we really need amino acids. Why? Because it will help talaga to what you call this, support all of these ano natin or organs sa katawan. Okay. So amino acids, again, our body cannot develop this. So we need to get amino acids through food. Yan. May question po ba? Pag may question, raise hand ah. Okay. And then next, we have our amazing black coffee. Yan. So this one, wala siyang stevia, walang white sugar, just pure black coffee with organic barley. Ayan. So perfect for those na, alam mo yun, acidic as well. It will help what you call this aids in weight loss, yan, zero sugar, and it only has 2 grams of carbs. Yan. So very, very light siya, pero you get your energy throughout the day through this amazing black coffee. Ayan. Okay, and then this is our newest product, which is our amazing organic barley gummies. Ayan. So promote ni Piolo and Eman. Okay, ito anak ni Pacquiao. Okay, so these are organic barleys. Again, these are natural extracts ng barley in a form of gummies. Yan, and it is vegan, okay, non-GMO, and it is gluten-free. Ayan. So, for those who are active, yan, nagpe-pickleball, tennis, whatever, basketball, 2 of these gummies is equivalent to 1 sachet ng barley natin. So talagang if you're a very sporty person or let's say you just need energy throughout the day to help you to work or to study, perfect po ang barley gummies. Okay, lalo na sa mga bata to, super super masarap siya. Okay, yung barley gummies natin. All right? And yan, ito yung mga ambassadors natin. Yan si Smolaude. Okay, si Carlo. Yan. Okay. So, yan guys, you can get these amazing products at a discount. Okay. And of course, when you become part of IM as well, we do offer rebates and incentives too. Okay, kasi marami dito guys, no, just to inspire you din. Hindi lang kayo, no, who are going to try this, no, to offer the barley products, pero marami po tayo dito na students, no, 24 years and below. Okay, aside from just offering the products, pero alam mo yun, they were able to also earn other ways here in IM. Yan, so we have here Jamaica. Okay, she started here at age 17. Alright? Ito naman si Carmela Villanueva. She also started here very young at age 18. Ito, brother and sister. Okay? They were also able to achieve here in IM as well. No? So every tawag dito, every month we always recognize yung mga youth. Ayan, so we have Miss Liza Soberano. Okay, one of our achievers din here sa IM. So, you can see guys, no, kahit ambassador, pero yung siya and her family are also part of IM. No, they're not just offering the products, pero they also wanted to, take advantage then of the offers na meron tayo dito sa IM. Okay, so yan. And this is the latest. Okay. You guys can actually follow this mentor, si Mentor Franz May. Okay, maganda din yung mga marketing ways niya, no? How she can market barley online, how does she do it through TikTok, okay, and Facebook. Ayan. Okay, and every month yan, no? We always have yung mga youth, nare-recognize namin sila. Okay? So, yan yung about the products natin, no? Hopefully, you guys were able to get more information, nabigyan kayo ng knowledge on why we should offer barley. Okay, again, if you're wondering, sino ba pwede ko i-offer, sa mga may health condition lang ba? Okay, actually everybody, you can offer this to anyone. Why? Kasi ang barley natin, since it's organic, again, pwede din siya sa mga kids, sa babies, up until pregnant woman. Okay, and for those who are, alam mo yun, wala pa silang health condition, you can still offer the barley sa kanila. Why? Kasi baka they're looking for prevention. Gusto nila maiwasan yung chronic disease talaga, as they get older. So, pwede nyo din i-offer sa kanila yon yung amazing barley natin. Okay? And then all of the other products as well. If they're looking for a coffee, let's say na hindi sila atake ng acidic or acidity, and then offer our barley coffee sa kanila. Okay? Let me see. What else? Yung ating, what you call this, products natin, like for gummies, yan. Maybe you can target people who have an active lifestyle. Okay? They can also try our barley gummies. Ayan, barley soap. Okay, so marami. Okay, there's a lot of different types of what you call network or people that you can offer these products to. But what I can advise you guys, no, it would be best to start with your warm market. What do I mean by warm market? It would be best to share the products first with your parents, yung mga titas nyo, okay? Who else? Yung mga, basta mga kamag-anak nyo. Yan, that's what you call the warm market. People who already know you. Okay? And what you can do is just, you don't have to be pushy or mag-hard sell kayo. Okay? Ang ginawa ko kasi before is, kinausap ko lang. Okay, ma, or tita, tito, meron ako kasi ino-offer ngayon. Actually, maganda siya, no? Then, explain mo lang, ito po yung product na ino-offer ko. Okay, sana makatulong din po kayo sa akin. And I'm sure makakatulong po itong barley po sa inyo. Okay? Ito po ang benefits niya, ito po yung testimony ng nakita ko sa FB. Pakita nyo, okay? And then sabi nyo, tita, tito, try nyo lang po. Kahit 2 or 3 box. Good for 1 month na po yan. Okay? Or kung gusto nila 1 box muna, okay lang. Basta matry lang nila. Kasi here, we're not here to convince them that the product will help. Okay? We're here to encourage them to try kasi manggagaling yung testimony sa kanila. They will be the ones to tell you, after 1 box, 10 days yon kasi 10 sachets in 1 box. They will let you know how they feel. Okay, marami dito nakakatulog ng maayos. Yung iba, they're able to, what you call this, hindi nila nararamdaman yung acid nila. Okay? So, iba't iba. Okay? Iba't iba yung what do you call this, reaction sa katawan yung barley. Okay? Um, ano pa ba? Yung barley, if you're going to market it online, pwede naman. Actually, you can start posting it on your personal FB eh. No, sa stories mo. Okay, let people know what do you call, a very short caption of benefits of barley. Okay, you don't need to really explain too much. Again, we are not doctors. Okay, we're not health professionals, but we are here to share awareness about yung that there's a product that can help them. Okay, that can help them if they're taking medication, idagdag nila itong barley para mas lalo matulungan yung immune system nila. So those are just the basic things that you guys can explain about barley and our other products. Okay, it doesn't have to be too much, like super, super duper um, informative. Okay, just the basic lang. And then the main goal talaga is to encourage them to try. Okay, and then they can get the box from you. Let them know that they can get the products from you. Yeah, and for sure, Michelle can provide you with those products. Okay, para you will be able to supply them with the barley. Ayan. Okay, so one box of amazing barley is 1,000, and that's bale ang labas niya 100 pesos lang. Imagine 100 pesos lang for you to be able to help your immune system daily. Okay, so yan yung price ng barley natin. For our coffees are much cheaper. It's 750. For the macchiato, it's 375. And then for the barley black coffee, it's 300 something. 300 lang pala. Ayan. So you can get the price from Sir Ram or kay Michelle. Okay, they can share the prices with you. Okay, but yan, the main bestseller talaga is the barley powder, which you can offer. Ayan. Okay, so I'll just share one more slide here, guys, no? Just one more. Tama-tama, we have 15 minutes before we end. Ay. Okay. All right. Kita yung screen ko, Sir Ram? Is it sharing? Kita niyo, guys?
Yes po, kita po.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to share with you my personal testimony with barley. Okay. Actually, when I became part of IM, okay, I wasn't really like hindi pa ako like into a healthier lifestyle. Okay? Kasi I grew up talaga na food talaga was my comfort. Okay? So, when I started learning more about health, okay, and wellness, this was the time na I decided na baguhin ko na rin. Okay? Kasi for so many years, since I was 22, I'm 31 now, nagagamot ako, okay, since 22. And halos every year since 22, lagi ako na ospital. Now, this is me, okay? Uh, and this was my lifestyle. Yan. Super, super, mahilig kumain. Okay, at 2019, I was 22 years old. Ayan, na-diagnose ako with hypertension stage 2. Okay, hypertension stage 2. And noong 2023 naman, nag-develop ako ng borderline diabetes. So sobrang sobra na yung toxin sa katawan. Nag-develop na din ng borderline diabetes. And ang niyan is marami akong gamot. Yan meron pa akong may case pa nga ako para sa gamot ko. No, imagine at a young age, ganun na. Okay? And aside from that, no, I also had experience sa gout, sa kamay, sa paa. Okay, allergic ako. So tuwing umaga, pagising ko is may sipon. Okay? Chest pains, yan kasi mataas yung BP ko, irregular menstruation, mood swings, until, alam mo yon, na-develop ako ng skin sores. Ayan, this is on my right leg. May kumagat. Okay, nung kinamot ko, nagkaroon ng infection and kumalat pa siya. Okay, doon ko napansin na grabe no, it's my health is getting worse. Nakikita na sa balat. Okay, hindi na gumagaling. Okay? And those are also the signs na mataas nga yung blood sugar ko. Okay? And sabi ko, ano kaya to? Ba't hindi siya gumagaling? Kasi may gamot pa ako nga dito eh. Okay? I've been to 2 dermatologists. They've gave me oral medication plus yung ointment. Pero gagaling siya, pero alam mo yun, to the point na magsasara na yung sugat, mag-aano na naman, magkakaroon ng nana ulit. Okay, so sabi ko, it's not working, it's not helping, no? And then this one was back in 2003, na-hospital ako. Okay, this is the last time I was hospitalized. Umabot ng BP ko ng 200. Okay, so I know you guys are still young, but just to let you guys know ha, because of the lifestyle, okay, na puro fast food, wala akong, alam mo yun, activities, okay, in my life. And sabi ko, nung time na na-hospital ako, I really need to change na. Kasi kahit may gamot ako, pero ganun pa rin yung lifestyle ko. Okay, tapos na-stress pa ako sa work. Okay, na-call center kasi ako before eh, no? Super, super stressful and graveyard shift yon. Okay? And before I started, of course, nagpa-lab test muna ako para makita, no? Kasi makikita talaga sa dugo yung health condition mo talaga. And the blood never lies. Okay, so nakita nga mataas yung blood sugar, umabot ng 10. And pag over 9 siya, it means kailangan ko pala that time magpa-insulin. Okay, insulin is like a medication which costs so much, no? 1,000 to 1,500 per shot every 3 days. Okay? And mahal siya. It actually, although it will help with the blood sugar, pero it will attack my kidneys. Okay? That kind of medication. So I was very scared. No? Tapos nakita nga dito, malapot yung dugo ko, which is why I was, what you call this, prone to heart disease or stroke at that time. Okay? And when I was taking barley na, tapos sinabayan ko na ayusin yung lifestyle. Dagdag yung activities like walking, running, badminton. Nakita ko nag-improve. Okay? Within matter of 4 to 5 weeks. No, which dati hindi ko magawa yan. Okay? And yan, nakita ko bumaba yung blood sugar levels, and also hindi na ako at risk for stroke na. Okay? And nakita na rin yung liver ko as well. Yung liver ko is fatty liver na. No wonder why umaatake yung gout ko. Okay? Gout, yan. Pero after a few weeks, yan, of the changes, tapos drinking barley every day, okay, naging normal na siya. 25, no? So hindi na nakikita yung glucose, which glucose is another word for sugar sa katawan natin. Hindi na nakikita sa ihi. Yan. Okay? So yan, yan ang naging improvements ko, no? And yearly nagpapalab ako. Okay? And of course, getting better every day. So that's what's important, no? When I took charge then, no, and with the help of Barley, Barley was the one that really helped me get through all of this. Kasi ang hirap eh, hirap mag-workout, hirap change of lifestyle, ganyan. Syempre hindi ako makakain ng pork that time, no? To get enough protein because nagagout nga ako eh. Pero because of barley, nagawa ko siya. Okay? And syempre, tinulungan ko din yung sarili ko to change my lifestyle. So yan, nagba-badminton. I actually did a 5 kilometer run. Diretso yan ha, 57 minutes. Dati, konting lakad lang, sobrang hingal na ako. Okay? But because of my lifestyle changes, yan, natulungan ako. Okay? This weight loss journey is just a bonus. Okay? Hindi ako nag-take ng anything to lose weight. But because of my active lifestyle and the change of food, ayan, natulungan din ako to lose weight. Ayan. So this was me before, same shirt. Ayan, and ang hirap maghanap ng t-shirt dito sa Pinas ng size ko dati. Okay, I have to end up forcing myself to use the whatever kasya sa akin and then t-shirt sa ilalim. O, di ba? Hirap, no? Kahit nga sa clothes, no? Nahirapan din ako. Ayan. So this is Mentor Candy. She's one of my, she's actually my mother mentor here in IM. She's the one who shared IM sa akin. No? And because of her, it opened lots of opportunity pati din sa health ko. Okay, this is Mentor Elise. Yan. So she's our health coach in IM where she teaches us about what you call this, our health, our body. Yan. Tapos may mga doctors din na tumulo din sa akin, no, from her network. Yan. Okay, and this is me now sharing my testimony sa mga events ng IM. Okay. Now, I want to share with you a little bit of my retail journey, just to give you an idea. Hanapin ko lang dito. Hold on. Ay. Okay. All right. Okay, kita ba yung screen? Ayan. Full screen na siya. Okay, now this is my background. So former call center agent and nag-work din ako sa restaurant before sa abroad. Okay, and when I found out about IM, it was because of Teacher Candy, a former UST professor for over 15 years. And ang ginawa ko, like what you guys are doing now, inaral ko din yung benefits ng products, kung paano din i-share sa mga tao. Okay? Kasi mahihain ako guys ha. Tsaka wala akong alam din sa sales or kung paano mag-market. Pero inaral ko siya, I attended. Ayan no, mga estudyante din yan. Mga kasama ko that time, no? And I allowed myself to learn. Okay? And yan, upon selling the products, no, nakapagbenta ako ng products and also share the opportunity. Okay, during pandemic time to, and I was able to earn 18,000 in 2 weeks. No, so mostly by sharing the products talaga. Okay, 18,000 in 2 weeks. Not bad, no? Not bad. And eventually, padala ako ng barley products sa ibang bansa like South Africa where I grew up. I also would padala ng products sa Japan. Okay, yung iba dito USA. Okay. So when you get to really learn more the benefits of barley and how you can offer this, okay, you'll be able to achieve this also. And people, there are still lots of people who don't know about our I Am Amazing Barley. And once they try it, they would want to really take it na para sa health nila. So marami ako dito sa leaders ko, no, na continuous din sila nagte-take ng barley or bumibili ng barley talaga. Minsan they would buy 6 boxes in a month, iba 3 boxes, no. Isang family nga, they would buy minsan 20 boxes in a month. So it's really something na it's a need na. Okay? Kung kulang pa rin yung kinakain natin, na kulang siya sa vitamins and minerals, barley can help you talaga to fill that, no? So yan, online lang, I would offer through Facebook, tapos word of mouth, people outside, okay? And but I first started talaga sa warm network ko, yung mga tita ko, okay, mga kamag-anak, yan, tapos friends of my mom, friends of my dad. Okay, nakiki-connect ako sa kanila. Okay, "Oy tita, try mo 'to. Sige na po, 1,000 lang po ito. Okay, tapos balikan mo ako ng 10 after 10 days. Let me know how you feel." 'Yan, okay. So gano'n, simple scripts lang, 'no? Simple scripts lang that you can do, okay. And, aside from the retail 'no, ang maganda kasi dito sa IM, aside from the retail, okay, since I was also sharing the program sa mga students, ay sa mga tao. Okay, sa retail, I would sell monthly. This is an example of one of my incomes. Okay, so weekly ang payout dito sa IM. Okay, just to share with you is yung retail ko net. Pag sinabing net kasi, ano yan, balik na puhunan, gastos, everything. Sa retail, I was able to sell 43,000. I was able to make 43,000 by just selling the products. Okay, and by sharing the program, 17,000. So imagine in just 1 month, naka 60K ako. Right? I know this is a big amount, pero dahil ginawa ko lang din siya, nag-offer lang ako, and people would not just buy 3 boxes or 6 boxes, they will buy more. Okay? Kasi nga, they want to try it, they want to take it for 3 months while they're on treatment with their medication. Ayan, nakatulong sa kanila. Okay? Then eventually, yung iba dito na bumili ng product sa akin, they eventually got their own package sa IM. Okay? And that's when my income grew by doing the opportunity part. Tapos retail, same time. 39,000 the next month. So it really is possible, guys. Sa products pa lang here in IM, when you retail it, there is an income. Okay? There is an income. We offer travel incentives. Yan, lalo na sa mga youth. Yan, kasama ko dito mga estudyante. Nakapag-travel sa Hong Kong. Okay? And I was on holiday with Teacher Candy, 4 days. I was able to still earn 23,000 that day. Okay, and then here, pagbalik ko sa Hong Kong, I traveled with my mom. I came back home, and my mom and we traveled to deliver the 50,000 worth of products here sa IM. No? So, deliver na agad. So, you see, people here, they will buy 6 boxes, yung iba, they will buy 3 boxes. Okay? Because they want to try it. Yan ang maganda sa, sa products natin here sa IM. You get to, experience the income. Okay? And yan, dito maganda weekly income kasi here the payout is weekly. So by just marketing or offering our opportunity program or the retail products, you can earn as much as 3,000 weekly, 13,000 or 6,000. Okay, it's up to you. It really depends on your effort. Pero syempre, the better yung effort mo, the better yung income mo dito sa IM. Ayan. So, one of the top direct sellers here for our products. Ayan. Okay. And this is my team with Michela. Ayan. So, all walks of life here. We all have different profession. We all have here different backgrounds. Tapos yan, mas maraming estudyante, guys, no? Na part of our teams na achiever na rin. Yan. Okay? And ang maganda dito, hindi lang kami yung achievers, pero we are able to help other mentors as well to achieve here sa IM. Ayan, yan kami. Okay? So yan. Yung iba dito estudyante, like ito si Liza. Estudyante po siya. Okay? Ayan. And this is our team now with Michela. This was our latest event. Yan. Okay, there we go. So I don't know if you've met the others here, no, from our team. Okay? So, yan lang guys. That's it for today. Sakto 1 hour and a half tayo lang today. Does anybody have any questions? Baka may questions on how to offer barley, how to, tawag dito, how to explain the benefits sa kanila. I think now is the time guys, no? Kasi mag-offer din kayo, no, ng barley products. So, kung may question, Ram, baka you can ask them if they have any questions.
Hey guys, still there? You guys have any questions? Yeah, seems like wala naman ata, ma'am.
Okay, sige. All right, well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for having me, Mentor Shella and Sir Ram. Sir Ram, baka may question ka sa akin? Do you have any
Ako
question?
ma'am personally, wala po. Like very informative, ma'am. Siksik na siksik.
Okay. Sige. Thank you so much.
Thank
Michelle?
you very much, ma'am.
Can we check, Sir Ram, if they learn about the products?
Yes. What is the one thing that they learned today na pinaka na-learn nila today?
Okay. Yeah, I think that would be nice, ma'am. So guys, Can you guys tell me one by one kung ano yung na-input nyong learnings for today? I'll start with myself. Ako personally, I've learned na the journey towards the journey towards health and wellness, of course, starts with prevention. Na kahit yung food na kinakain natin, dahil sobrang daming processed na food and stuff, nagiging unhealthy yung lifestyle natin. That's why we need supplements like barley kasi it's very filled with nutrients that we need. And it is something that can help supplement it para maging healthier tayo. The same way na naging mas healthy yung katawan ni Ma'am Kayla when she started her health journey with IM. Okay, let's start naman with Jacob.
Hindi na kami babalik dito.
Jacob?
Yes po, sir.
Kasi hindi. Babalik.
Oh, yeah, sorry. What I learned today,
Kung gagawin na natin, di ba ako? For example, napapermahan na natin.
I think your mic is quite low.
hello?
Wala ka na po.
Oh, hello?
Hello. Yeah, I think medyo mahina yung mic mo.
So, ito yung
Hello?
Okay, that's so much better.
Okay. So what I've learned is that barley is extremely healthy because before I didn't even think about what is barley or what it actually does. And most of what I've learned today is you've already said it na po, sir. Hello? Why the
Okay. How about something that I haven't said yet?
no more, sir. That's all.
Okay, I got that. Okay, let's then proceed with John. JJ.
Diyan na, naka-mute ka. Baka naka-double mute ka or something.
Sir John. I think nag-chat lang din siya kanina, ma'am, right?
Yeah. Sige, maybe we can go first with Andres.
Okay, Andres.
What I learned po in this call and since earlier pa po, like, I learned that barley is just like a supplement and it's marketed as a supplement which is packed with nutrients that help boost immune system and prevent serious health issues like diabetes or heart disease. This product is like around like positioned as a essential health tool by trusted by celebrities and a lot of um a lot of real world use testimonies. Yun lang po yung natututo ko. But also it helps their body strong and protected from medical risks shown in the presentation.
Thank you for that, Andres. Let's move to Mishra.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
All right, thank you. Yeah, I think my biggest lesson for today was obviously number one, the impact of barley. I was never aware that barley was so nutritious for the body. I always thought it was just all right. So that was pretty surprising, knowing the impact of barley and its biological benefits. And second of all would probably be the importance of the right nutrients for your body, right? You need the right nutrients inside of your body. That way you can have the energy, the stamina, and the focus to like achieve your goals. And barley supplements really help you achieve that goal. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, seems like you guys have really good amounts of product information now.
Thank you.
But yeah, last but not the least, JJ, are you there? I think I don't see JJ as well on the what do you call this on Discord as well. So I think he must be experiencing some technical difficulties. I feel
Yeah.
like that might be the case. Andres also suffered a bit of technical difficulties, so yeah, there might be something wrong with the internet right now. But yeah, I won't waste much of your time na, Ma'am Sheila and Ma'am Kayla. Ako na yung magtatanong kay JJ personally.
Yes, yes, sir. Then kindly ano na lang din, send us a message.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
guys.
Yan. So, picture tayo lang saglit.
Yes.
Teka. Okay. Sige.
Wait pa nga, ma'am.
Alright.
Sorry yung camera ko. Wala akong camera right now. Sorry.
Yan. Yan no, si Andres pwede i-promote yung gummies tsaka ano Pogi ni Andres
Model na natin yan, ma'am.
Lahat sila
Thank you
Hala.
po, miss.
Kaya nga. Sige. Jacob, hi. Okay. So, Ram na lang, no?
Yes, ma'am. Hindi ako makapag-open cam po yung camera ko.
Okay. Sige.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Yan. Thank you so much. And enjoy the rest of your day, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you po
Send na
so
lang din ng
much.
screenshot, ma'am, later.
Sure,
Yes.
sure.
Thank you,
Sige.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
everybody.
Thank
Have
you.
a good
Bye-bye.
afternoon. Bye-bye po.
Busy, busy,